outdoor tour. We're out. What's this place called, Sue?
The first shaft.
First shaft. So apparently we've been told it's the best sunset to come here, and don't leave too early because the next 15 minutes after it is magnificent. So Sue's got a camera set up here. It's starting to come down now. It's just a beautiful place out here, basically.
Yes.
Very nice, isn't it, Sue? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I think I can hear you.
And I've just found myself a big opal. You're wondering what I had in my hand? Big rock. Okay, so stay tuned because we'll be sending that up to YouTube, and you should subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, that one too, yes. Because we've got a few